Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Look here. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to Elvine's playtime. Can you say Elvine's playtime? What is it? Is it stuck?
I want to go.
You want to go?
I want to go to push them.
You want to push them?
Push.
Okay, wait 1 second. You have... Okay, move the gear forward. The gear. The gear.
Ear no.
No, the ears. This gear. You push it forward. Okay. Okay, wait.
Okay.
Wait. Ready? Set. Go! Whoa! Are you sad? Why? Because you want to go outside? Dance! Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Are you dancing? Huh? Are you dancing? Hey, hey. Woo! Wanna change stations?
Yeah.
Put another one. Touch. Touch here. No, with your hand. Touch with your hand. Touch. Change the station. You see? Touch again. You see? You see? It's a radio in the car. The radio in the car. It gives sound and music and radio stations. Do you understand what I'm saying? Do you really? Let's go. Are you ready to go?
Yes.
Do you want to crush them?
Yes.
You want to crush the blue car, red car, the fire truck, and the school bus?
Fire.
All right, the fire truck. Okay then. I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2. Hold the wheel. You're gonna go. 1, 2. Ready, set, go. Why are you moving back? Okay. What are you doing? Okay, bring back the truck. Touch your remote and bring it back, okay?
That's the remote.
Bring it back. Is it blocked?
1, 2.
Let me help you.
Huh? You don't hold it?
Okay, ready, set, go. Bring it back. Come put it here.
Ready? Go!
Whoa! Uh-oh. Okay, reverse.
Ready, set, go!
What's happening?
It's stuck.
Come put it's stuck, yeah. Go get it and put it here so that it can go and push the other trucks back. Good job. Whoa. Okay.
Go!
Okay, wait, ready, set, go. Whoa. Whoa. other button. No, the other one.
The one?
This one.
The one?
That one.
The one?
Yeah. See? Keep going, keep going, keep going. Whoa, keep going. Is it stuck again? Okay, reverse again, reverse. Are you tired?
No.
Okay, let's go. Back, 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 back. Okay. Whoa. Okay, reverse. Uh-oh. Okay. Keep going. It's going for the school bus. It missed it. Ooh, whoa.
Say it again.
Okay, reverse. You have to go for the school bus right now.
Get go to
The school bus. Reverse. No, reverse. Here, reverse. Reverse right there.
No.
What are you wearing, Elvin? Can I see?
Okay.
No, can I see what you're wearing? Is it Halloween t-shirt?
Halloween t-shirt.
Can you stand up? Let me see.
Okay.
What is that?
Halloween
Is that Mickey Mouse?
Mickey Mouse.
Why is he wearing a skull? Is that a skull on Mickey Mouse? Whoa, it's so scary. I'm scared. I'm so scared, Elvin. Be careful, you're gonna fall down.
Go for that.
What is this? Is this a pumpkin?
It's a pumpkin.
It's a pumpkin.
It's a skeleton.
Yeah, it's a skeleton Mickey Mouse. And what is that? What is this?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. It's a Mickey Mouse sign. What is it written?
Mickey Mouse.
Let me see. Let me read it.
Okay.
It's written, I can't see. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Sports, blah, 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 blah. Okay, get down. Let's keep going with the cars. Get down.
Oh, man.
Make it move back. No. Use the remote. You don't have to run all the way there. There you go. You got it. Whoa! What's happening?
What happened to me?
Okay, reverse.
It's crashed.
Yeah, it crashed on the trash can. Trash.
On the wall.
Okay, just reverse.
Look.
Are you tired? Do you want me to help you? Do you want me to help you? Let me help you 1 minute. Let me see. So we're going to reverse here. See, it's gonna come back. It's coming back. It's coming back. You wanna try? Okay. Okay, go get the truck and come put it here. Go get the truck and put it here, okay?
Okay.
Hurry up. Hurry up.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you having fun?
Take this. This. Mommy.
Whoa, it's gonna hit no. It's gonna hit mommy. You don't want it to hit mommy. Make it hit the school bus. You see the school bus right there, the yellow bus?
The yellow bus and the white.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Whoa. Woohoo! What? What did you do, Elvin? Why did you hit the school bus? It's just innocent. It didn't do anything to you. No, why are you running away? Are you scared? Woohoo! Reverse. I'm right here.
Ow!
No, use the remote. Helium. Helium, look at me. Look at me. Are you learning colors too? Elvine, come, let's learn colors with Ilium. You wanna come and learn colors with Ilium?
Yeah!
What colors are these?
Red.
What color is this one?
Red.
What about this one?
Get
What about this one?
Red.
And this one right here? What about this one here?
School.
No. What about this one? Come this way, come this way. What color is this one? This one. Is it red?
Red hexagon.
No, it's not a hexagon. It's a circle. You wanna play ready, set, go?
Ready, set,
Go! Okay, drive it.
go.
No, go the other side. Go on the other side. Go behind the truck.
Oh.
You wanna go behind the truck? Go behind the truck. Okay? Behind the truck. Whoa! Whoa! What? It crashed. It's gonna crash.
That's a little one.
No, go there. Go back there. It's stuck. Is it stuck? I think it's stuck. I think it's stuck. What are you doing?
I'm playing goodness. Cheers. Oh yeah?
Oh, it's gonna crash on mommy's leg. It's crashing on mommy's leg. You want it to crash on mommy? Whoa! No, you have the remote. The remote has to face the car.
Much is big on the wall.
Go that way. Go that way, Baba. Elvin, go that way. Go stand there. Do you want to drive? Do you want to drive the big? Do you want to drive the big car? You want to drive your Audi? You want me to go get it?
No, go get it.
Okay, I'm gonna go get it. Okay. What are you doing? It's okay. Just sit down. It's okay. What are you doing? No, you have to change the gear though. You have to change the gear. You see this? If you want to go front, you do that. Back. You want to go front?
Yeah.
You want to move forward?
Yeah.
Okay, do this. Touch here. Touch it here. No, just once, like this. Oh, you're done. Okay, now you can go. Whoa!
Oh. Come outside.
You wanna go outside?
Go outside.
You want to put the car outside?
Go outside.
But it's raining. See? It's been raining. It's been raining outside. You have to wait a little bit, okay? You don't wanna wait?
Go.
But we cannot go right now. It's too wet outside. Let's go and see. See? You see? It's wet. It's been raining.
Jumping in that.
No jumping on the water. The water is dirty. No. What are you doing? You're jumping in the water. Jumping in the water. Jumping in the water. Jump. Jumping in the water. Jumping in the... But there is no water. Jumping in the water. Jumping in the water. Let's count. Let's count 1 to 20, okay?
Okay.
1. Uh-huh.
2, go.
Uh-huh. 3. 4. 5. Jump. 6. 7. Count with me. Ew. It's disgusting. Yucky. Ew. Ew. Yucky. It's disgusting. Ew. Wipe your legs. Wipe, wipe, wipe.
Break your leg.
You wipe like this. Look. Wipe your legs like this. Wipe the other one. Wipe your other leg. Okay, let's go.
Let's go inside.
Let's go back inside, yeah. We have to wait. It has to get dry first before we take the car outside, okay?
Don't go. You need to go up there.
You have to reverse. Okay, touch the gear. The gear.
Gear?
No, the gear.
Gear?
That one there.
Huh? Gear?
Yeah, the gear. Move it back. Okay. Okay, drive, but slowly. Drive. Drive slowly. Push.
Push.
Slowly, though. Not the gear. Put the gear back.
Okay.
The gear, put it back.
Gear.
Back. Oh, okay, just stop. Okay, now touch the... Press.
Okay.
No, press the gas. And Elvin, okay. Okay, push it and drive. Hold the steering wheel. No. Oh, you have to start it. Okay, start the car. Start the car here. Careful, careful. Stop, 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 stop. I told you to stop. What's funny? It's not funny. It's not funny. No, you have to push the gear. Change the gear, okay? Okay. Woo! Stop it. Stop, stop, stop. Okay, now change the gear again. Change the gear. Back. Okay, now you're moving back. Change the gear, change the gear, change the gear. Change the gear, put it back. The gear. Elvin. The gear, put it back like this. Now you can go. Slowly, 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 slowly. Stop, 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 stop. Jesus. Why are you crying? Okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. I'm gonna help you. Are you stuck?
Airplane.
Where is it?
Airplane.
Where is the aeroplane? Oh, it's an airplane. Are you stuck? No, 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 no. You have to stop.
It's pop.
What is happening? Are you stuck? Don't cry. Okay, it's okay. I'll help you. What is this? What? Huh? Where is the ice cream? There is no ice cream. It's dry out there. It's baby milk, baby formula. It's not ice cream. Baby's formula. Baby formula. Yeah, it's baby's formula. You wanna drive your car, the truck? This one? Where is the remote? Go get the remote. Ah, it's right here. Come get it. Come pick it up. Come get the remote. No, make it face that way. No, make it face that way. Take the car and put it. Whoa. It's stuck again. It's pushing the fire truck. Is it pushing the fire truck? Oh, whoa. What are you doing? You can't drive while sleeping. Yeah, the fire truck is blocking your truck. Say hi guys, bye-bye.
Bye.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Can you wave bye-bye like this with your hand?